Okay, students, I am very much happy to take this class, and in this particular class, uh, we are going to uh, discuss about forecasting models. Forecasting models. We know what is a forecasting. Am I correct? Um, Take for example, the number of years may go up. What would be the sales? Whether it is going up or not. So if 10 years are given, the sales also will be given to us. Then after 5 years, whether the sales moving up or not. So that also one type of forecasting that we have to study in our management sciences. Okay, so in this particular class, I am going to explain about a linear regression forecasting model. Okay, linear uh, linear regression model. Linear regression. My God. Regression model. That's what we are going to study now. This is a short form I have written here. A regression model. Okay, what's the meaning of this? Okay, so I will explain you that first, then afterwards we'll take the problem and do that. Now, you see here, there are two variables. Take for example, this is what we say years. Okay, first year, second year, third year, like that. And then we can have what can I say is that of sales is another axis I am taking here. So this is what sales we can say. Okay, sale. Now sales. Now year is moving up. Suppose the year is moving up. Okay, this is a take for example first year, this is of second year, this is third year, this is fourth year, this is fifth year, and this is sixth year, like that. This is fourth year. Okay, second year, third year, fourth year. So we are noting the years are moving up. Now sales also can move up. Am I correct? Now the sales I am writing here as some take for example 10 lakhs. Then after 1 year, say 20 lakhs. After 1 year, 22 lakhs or 25 lakhs, you suppose. Then afterwards 30 lakhs, like that. Okay, so the given data will be plotted on the screen. Okay, like this. That may be after 1.5 years, it may be 35, or 40 it may be 10, and then for 25th year it may be of some 25 lakhs, 20 years in the first, like that. We are plotting on this. Now we are drawing a straight line towards this. You're drawing a straight line towards this, a straight line. Okay, now how far these points are deviated from this? Okay, how far these are deviated from this? So deviation must be very less, then we will predict the correct data. I mean for different which year, which sales we can find out. We can find out that. Am I correct? So this is the method that we have to find out here. So if for 50 year, you take for example for the 50 year, what would be the sales? What would be the sales? in rupees. What would be the sales? So this is the point, am I right? So for the 5th year, the sales would be 25 lakhs. 25 lakhs sales rupees. Sales in rupees, you can say. Or we can say that sales in rupees, you can say this, okay? Sales in rupees. This is in years. So this will give us the correct appropriate prediction for this independent variable to this dependent variable. Usually the dependent variable is taken as x and the independent variable taken as y. So mathematically we can write y equals we can say a plus b into x. This is a straight line. You look at that. This is the straight line of this. So if you formulate this particular equation, then for different value of the independent variable, we can get the corresponding dependent variable. For this independent variable, we can get the corresponding dependent variable. Okay. So this is what we do here in linear regression model. There's a formula to calculate the A and B. There's a formula to find A and B. Okay. So if you find A and B, then we can get the value of y when x are given. Okay. So that's what we have to understand here. Okay. So the formula would be of like this. From this the mathematical people say that y bar equals a plus b into x bar. From the given data for 5 years or 10 years, possible to calculate this. So from this we can find out what is a and b, where b equals, the b is a formula which is nothing but a summation of x minus x minus x bar into y minus y bar. This we have to calculate. We will do the problem. At that time you will understand all these things. Okay. Divide by summation of x minus x bar the whole square. So we can find out this. Okay. So after finding out this particular calculation, substitute this value here, we can get the value of a. Okay. After getting the value of a, we can know b, substitute here, and a value we know that, substitute here. You'll get the formula like y equals a plus bx. So from this particular formula we can forecast the value of dependent variable for this independent variable. So many things we can take for example here production, and here we can take the sales in rupees. Okay, income of the particular company, or in any other variable also we can connect dependent and independent. Dependent, take for example number of employees in a company, then what would be the production capacity, y, it is possible. Okay. Or in educational field also, if x is the number of the students, then how much the increase in income to the college. So like that we can connect these uh, uh, dependent variable by this independent variable. Okay, so this whole study we call it as linear regression model, and if time comes I will explain you about the problem and we will discuss that. Okay, so thank you very much for coming over here and listening to for the past 10 minutes. I would be seeing you in a different time in the forthcoming sessions. So thank you students, thank you very much.